So you have something that you call a champagne moment. Can you describe what a champagne moment is,
Right.
and how someone can identify what their own champagne moment is, and then give us an example of a champagne moment that you've had?
Absolutely. Okay, so if we were going to achieve one thing and one thing only in the next 12 months, what would it be? It would make the year successful and it would be significant to you. So that's a champagne moment, if you like. It's so significant that we're going to pop some champagne and we're going to celebrate, and you're happy to share that with people.
Right.
Okay, so that's what the champagne moment is. So people I work with right now this year have champagne moments which range from launching a new product to hitting a certain revenue level within their businesses, to building a second home in another country so they can retire there, or selling their business. These are all great champagne moments.
Right.
They don't have to be massive, but often they are quite significant.
Right.
Now, my personal champagne moment, which I engaged with my family and I committed to them, was to write, publish, and to hit the bestseller list for a book that I told my family I was going to be writing for like the last 8 years.
Right.
So I'm like, no, this is the year I'm going to do it. So now I
Right.
have a timeline, and we're going to achieve this. And I have to say that it was only 2 weeks ago that we popped the cork and we were celebrating and drinking champagne.
Oh,
It feels good.
Yeah.